Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Today, we did a model of the pre-dynamic crack analysis of a 2D model. It can be 3D also. You can see it here. Let me use feature edge to have a better view. You can see here the crack pattern under the low velocity impact is this here. And it means this is a true crack path for under critical velocity impact. Under the critical velocity impact, the degree is about 60 degree. And if I consider, for instance, this option, you can see the crack propagation. Let me replace just this and make it this here. See the crack. This is a pre-dynamic crack analysis under low velocity impact. We consider the crack here. See the load here on this side, and in the other model we consider the load on the upper side, and you can see the crack growth here. Let me check, for instance, the status XFEM, and the direction is okay also in this model. See, this is a pre-dynamic crack analysis or dynamic crack growth by using Winkler or Kalthoff Winkler test. In the third model here, we have this. You can see the crack of the pre-dynamic in both sides. See here, in both sides, use this option, click here, see the crack grows, and the degree of the crack growth is the same in both sides here. Okay, we did this three tests here of the pre-dynamic crack analysis by using a dynamic step. And if you need to provide this tutorial, you can come to our website abacusfem.com. Here you will have the title here. Click on title or blue sign, then you will have the title, geometries, step interaction load, anything, and the result as figures. The tutorial contains CAE, INP, English video file, some papers that they use pre-dynamic load in Abacus, and if you want to buy this tutorial, you can use a PayPal account, a Visa or MasterCard for the payment. Before that, contact me to this email to tell you about the purchasing process. Also here we have a full package of Abacus containing more than 400 tutorials. It includes everything in Abacus. We consider it as 400 tutorial as these main titles here, like explosion with all method, impact high and low for all the materials, welding, biomechanics, forming, crack, soil CFD, FSI, thermal analysis, cyclic loading, masonries, DEM, pull-out test, composite material, concrete structure, steel structure, seismic loading, electromagnetic, anything. The cost for this full package is 230 euros, and that is a good price for a package like this. Each tutorial contains CA and English video file and papers. If you want to provide this full package to be a master in modeling and simulation in Abacus, contact me to this email. Thank you for your attention.